Hey guys, this is Sultan and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can start a blog for your affiliate marketing business and make money in 2020. So what you are going to learn in this video is I'm going to show you how you can choose a niche, and I will show you a WordPress theme that is high converting, and I'm going to show you how you can clean your WordPress website. I'm going to show you how you can speed your WordPress website, and if you don't want to do the work, I can do it for you. And the last thing, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your SEO on your WordPress website. So you will find a link below that will redirect you to my blog post. You will find all the links of the tools that we are going to talk about today. Alright? So there is 13 steps to follow. So step number 1 is choosing a niche. If you have something you love to write about, then go for it. If you have a passion for cooking, for fitness, health, wealth, anything that is in mind, then go for it. Go write about it. But if you don't know where to start, if you are a beginner and don't know where to start, then these are the 4 niches that I recommend for you. Okay, so it is the first niche is make money online, where you will show people guides and how to guys on making money online. And the second niche is web hosting. You will review and analyze the web hosting services. And software niche, which is a launch jacking method. You will promote a product launch. So for the last niche is the fitness niche. So that is it. So for step number 2, which is choosing a domain. But before that, you need to do some research. You need to know what is your brand name. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to you need to do some research on your niche. Okay? If your niche is make money online, for example, so you need to search what are the top websites that is related to make money online niche. Okay, so I have one in mind, which is onlinedimes.com. Okay, now you need to check the synonyms and check what is available, and this may take time. Let me show you. So now this is Namecheap, where you will buy your domain. I will provide a link in my blog post. So the first thing you need to do is make a research on your niche. I have already done that, and I have a website in mind, which is called Online Dimes. Let me show you this website. Online Dimes is created by Franklin Hatchett, which is a website that is related to make money online. Okay, so let's take Online Dimes, okay, and go to this website where I'm going to provide it in my blog post. Let's take for example online. You'll find a lot of synonyms, okay, and for example dimes, coins, nickels, silver. You can brainstorm your domain by checking these names right here. Okay, so for example, I have a website. My website is affiliate rage. Okay, so let's check affiliate. There is a partner, branch, associate. Okay, so a branch, a branch is a good. It's a branch is a good is a good name, so I will take it. So I have a name in mind, like money branch, if you say so. Let's check on Namecheap, money branch. You need to choose a .com domain. It must be a .com domain. So I think this is taken. So if this is taken, what you will do is maybe you have another name in mind. Maybe the money portion of, or the money annex, or the money wing. Let's search the money wing. Yes, this is available, but it is too pricey. Let's put here so the moneywing.com is available. So step number 3 is creating your logo. You have 3 options to create your logo. You can create it with Canva. You can create it with a tool called the Hooth, or you can outsource it on Fiverr. Okay, so let's create our logo. This is Canva. Let's check logo. Let's choose, for example, uh, this one. Okay, so this is our website. Let's delete this one here and delete this one. Let's make it unique. Okay, now I will put it all uppercase. Decrease the font. Yes. So that is an example of a logo. You can create with Canva, and you have a lot of templates that you can choose from here. All right. So after you created your logo, you can download it. You can simply download it from here. There is the other option which is called the Hooth Logo Maker, which is a much better option. So let's first click on text. You can add the money wing, for example, and here and change the font to blue. Then I'm going to change the font. Maybe I'll choose this one. Yes, no. Yes, this one is looking great. Let's make it all uppercase. Okay. Or like this. Alright, I can change this color. For example, black. I cannot do that. Maybe I need to separate it. Okay, let's make it bold and add another text. Money. Change the font to this one here. Yes, and change the color. For example, be creative, okay? Yes, sir. And the wing. I'm going to make it wing. Choose a font. Maybe this one looks cooler. And change the color. Yes. So, and then you can add a symbol from here. You can choose from a variety of symbols. Okay. For example, I'm going to choose maybe this one. And can resize it. And look at it. Okay, I can change the color to maybe what red, and this color is I can change it to be creative. Okay, so that is our logo. You can save, and it will be sent to your email, and that is it. So step number 4, which is buying a web hosting service. My recommendation is WebHostFace. They have a great ticket and live chat support. They are cheap and fast, and they have big discounts on holidays, such as Christmas. I got my web hosting service. I got my web hosting for $13 per year. I got it on Christmas, so I highly recommend. I highly recommend this web host. Okay, so let's go over web host face, which is this one. You will find the links. You will find all the links in my blog post, which is below in the description. So after you open the website, you can choose shared hosting, reseller, VPS dedicated. I will choose the shared hosting, and here you can choose your package. I recommend the Face Extra because you will get 20 gigabytes. You will get more storage, and you can create more. You can create multiple websites. All right. So I click on sign up and choose our domain. I will choose a domain from here, and you can have it for 1 year. You can choose your service, your server location, Europe, Asia, or United States. You can you leave all of this blank. You don't need this. And here you can put your information, and you can buy it from here. This will cost $71 in 1 year, but if you choose the starter option, which is this one, the standard, let's check it. I will show you. it will be cost $35 if you only have one website. Okay. Whoa, it's $12. That's amazing. $12, guys, $12. Okay. So step number 5, which is installing WordPress. Alright, so after you purchased your web host service, you will see this login. You will see this dashboard. You can go to my account. You can choose your domain. Click manage, and then you can click on login to cPanel. Okay, wait for this to load up. Now there is you click on WordPress. Click on install WordPress. I will choose a demo domain, and you can clear this field. You don't need it. You just need the domain, and that is it. You can put your website name, helping you reach your online business goals. This is my tagline. Okay. So now I will choose a username. I will leave it at admin. I will put a password. Okay. And here I can choose my email. Make sure that this email is connected to your Gravatar, so you can put your image, your author image. Okay, so that is it. Let's click on install. After installing, you can click on your domain /wp admin. I think you need to install the SSL certificate. I will do it right now. So welcome. This is your WordPress dashboard. So there is one last step before we go through the next lesson. We'll go to, let's exit from here. Let's go to cPanel again. Okay. And wait for it. Look for SSL. I think it is let's encrypt. Let's encrypt this one. Okay. Click on it, and you can choose. Here you will see the domains and the subdomains that is already secured. Okay. Here, and here you will see the domains and the subdomains that are not secured. You can simply click on issue and issue again. So click on go back, and now your domain is secured. Okay. Let's check it out again. Let's go to demo. Let's go to my demo website. Yes, this is secured, like you see here. So step number 6, which is clean up your WordPress website. So let's go now. This is the dashboard. You need to check the updates first. Okay, let's update this theme. So now that it is updated, go to plugins, install plugins, and remove these plugins. Okay, you do not need it. So go to pages, also remove these pages, you don't need them. Go to trash, empty trash, go to post and do the same. You can trash, let's go to trash and empty trash. Go to dashboard, dismiss this option, and now your WordPress dashboard is clean. So the next step we need to do is install a WordPress theme. So this is the WordPress dashboard. I recommend the Astra Pro, but if you cannot afford it, you can use the Astra free version. Okay, so let's go to themes, appearance, and then themes, and then you can click on add new and search for Astra. This is the one. Click on install. Wait for it. And activate. So now we will need to delete all the other themes like so. So now we have a WordPress theme installed. Let's check the demo. So this is the theme. It's called Astra. I highly recommend this theme. It is as it is really customizable for your WordPress website. The Astra free theme is pretty much enough to start creating your website and start customizing it. But if you want more customization for your WordPress website, you can get Astra Pro, which I am going to show you everything about Astra in this video. So the next step that you will need to do is install the required plugins, such as a page builder, email capture form builder, and a security plugin, a caching plugin, a speed optimization plugin, and an SEO plugin. Okay, so let's go to the plugin section, add new. Let's look for Elementor. Click on install. Don't know why it takes that much time. Yes, it is. And click activate. Don't worry about this. Now go to plugins again, add new. For the email caption form builder, I use, in my opinion, I use Thrive Fleet. I will provide the link below to get Thrive Fleet. I highly recommend it. I use it because my autoresponder is not supported on these platforms. So I use an HTML form, and I integrate it with Thrive Leads. So that is why. Now, uh, now the next thing is a security plugin. A security plugin I use in my website, a plugin called Control Press. I will provide a link in the resources in my blog post. You can check it at your own time. So now the next thing is a caching plugin. So, there is a free method and a paid method. Okay, the free method is you install W3 total. No, not W3 total cache. Auto optimize. I think that is the name. Let us check. Yes, this plugin. Install. Do not activate yet. You need to finish the theme customization, and then you activate it and configure it. Okay, so the next thing is an SEO plugin. I use Rank Math. It is really easy to set up. It won't take less than 10 minutes to set up the SEO on your WordPress website with Rank Math. Also, there is another caching plugin called WP Speed Visit. This plugin is will show you the following. Like let's open my website on a private browser. My website is Affiliate Rage. So this is my website. So for example, I want to go to contact. This is my contact page. Go home. Like you see, it's becoming very fast. Okay, like you see. I will give you the plugin that will do that for you. I will give it to you for free. Another thing about the security plugin, I will provide it to you for free. And about the Thrive leads, it's unfortunately paid. You cannot get it unless you pay, I think, $67. So now we are on step number 9, which is creating your legal pages. I give you the permission to copy my legal pages, but you need to change the links only. So the legal pages such as disclaimer, contact for, and privacy policy, terms of use, and an about page. You need to spend some time to make your to make this page. Talk about yourself. Why have you started? What was your mistakes before you started, and so on. And for the privacy policy and the terms of use, you can use it freely. You can copy and paste. I don't mind. I will provide the links of my legal pages down in the links below, so you can copy it. Here are the disclaimer. as you see. Now for the contact page, all we need to do is go to plugins, add new, search for, I think, form. Yes, WP forms, install. Now activate. Now scroll down and click on create your first form. For example, contact us, a blank form. No, maybe you need to select the simple contact form. Create sample contact form. And if you like what you see here, if you like this contact form, then just click on save, click on empt, and copy this shortcode. Now go back 1 minute, go back and go to pages, add new, contact, alright, publish, edit with Elementor. You don't need Elementor, I don't think you need it. Back to WordPress editor, just paste the shortcode that was before and click on update, and that is it. Let us check it. Where is the link? Yes, as you see, this is the contact form. Don't worry about the padding and the margins. We will fix that. But now that is it for creating the contact form. So for step number 10, which is about configuring your theme. So let's start. This is our WordPress dashboard. Go to appearance, click on menus. You need to add a menu, a primary menu and a footer menu. So this is the main menu. Create menu. Now you need to check primary menu, as you see, and you need to add the pages that you want it to appear in in here. Okay, so I only want the about page, and maybe later I will add a resource page maybe, and a blog page. All right, so add to menu. All right, so click on save menu. So now we need to create another menu, which is the footer menu. Okay, create menu, and here you need to add the legal pages. Alright, add to menu. Here select check footer menu and click on save menu, and that is it. Now we need to go to customize. Keep in mind that we have installed Astra, the free version, I will show you everything that you need to know about Astra. I will also show you everything, every element in Astra Pro and what I use in my website. So first, go to global typography, base typography, and here you can select your font. So I like this font. If you want to change it, just simply change it from here. Maybe I want Acme. As you see, that the fonts have been changed everywhere. All right. As you see, I want the default system font, and I want the size to be 15. But here in text transform, I recommend you select capitalize. You will see it will capitalize every text, like site admin, logout, and so on. And as you see in the in the site title, it is capitalized. You can play with the line height and the paragraph menu, but I don't need to. As you see, all right. So go back and go to headings. For headings, I think you need to select a different font. Maybe I will choose railway. As you see, and for the font weight, I want it to be maybe bold. If you don't like it, maybe you want it semi-bold. As you see, all right. And for text transform, I want it to be uppercase. As you see, or all the headings are now uppercase. Go down, and here you can change the headings, the heading font sizes. So for heading 1, I need it to be 36. Let's change it 36. For heading 2, 26. You can play with the headings, but for the font sizes, I recommend these sizes, as it is readable, and that is it. And for the heading 3, 24, heading 4, 20, 16, and here is 15. All right, like you see. Now go back, go to colors. So our logo. First, I need to add my logo. Go to header, site identity, select logo, select files. I will upload my logo real quick. Let's search for it. Yes, this is our logo. You need to put here for SEO purposes. You need to add your site title, copy it and put it also on the title, and submit. Select. As maybe I will crop it a little bit. Okay. crop image. So now that it is added, you can disable the site title by clicking on this check mark, and you can resize your logo. Maybe I want it 150. No, this is very small. Yes, 180. 180 is good. So now that our logo is added, let's go back. Go to global colors, base colors. I have a color picker in my Chrome browser. I can go to my logo and click on the color that I want, and here for the theme color, I want it to match the logo. For link color, the same. As you see, it is changed. It is the same as this color, money. Alright, for link hover color, you can change it as you want, but I don't need to. And that is it for the base colors. You can change the background. As you see, I don't want to. For the heading colors, maybe I want the same colors as the theme color, like you see. Alright, so go back, go to container. For container, I recommend, like you see on the most famous websites like Apple.com, maybe Microsoft, they use a 1000 width. For the width, they choose 1000. Alright. For the layout, you can choose what you want, but I recommend you choose full width, contained. And here about page layouts, I need to select default. I don't need to play with it. Let's go to the about page and see. Okay, now I think it is really good. Okay, default is good. Okay, for blog post layouts, click on box. It's not changed because there is no content yet. Let's add some content, and I will get back to you. So to add content, if you don't have any content to write about at the moment, you can install a plugin called WordPress. But before that, you need to click on publish, click on the X button, go to plugins, add new. The plugin called WordPress. Install. Click on activate. Now this is WordPress. You can go to WordPress right here at the bottom. Click on post. Now you need to select how many posts you want. Maybe I want from 10 to 20 posts at the date of yesterday, as you see. Now you can click on generate. Let's check the website again. Yes, there is content. Now there is content. We can edit. So go to appearance, customize again. So here are the content. Go to global. Let's continue. Container for blog post layout. This is the blog post layout, like you see. It can be changed like you want. Maybe I wanted this layout, maybe full width contained. I don't recommend you make it stretched as it is very ugly. So I wanted full width contained. For the blog archive layout, which is this one here, you can click. Maybe I want it boxed. Let's check it. As you see, content boxed, full width contained. Let's check it. You can play around with it if you want to. We have already chose full width contained on the layout, so we don't need to do anything here if we want it full width contained. Okay, click on default. Now here are our blog post layout. Maybe you need to make it boxed. Yes, that is very neat. For the blog post layout, it is also boxed, like you see. So now go back, click on buttons. I don't have any button, so I need to add it real quick. Go to headers, primary headers. No, not here. Primary menu. The last item in menu, which is choose button, like you see. Go back, go to global, buttons. Now you can change the color. Here you can change the text color, like you see. It is changed, but I don't need to. You can change the background color. Maybe I want it red. Okay. So you can play with the margins, but I don't need to. Go back, go to header, site identity. We already added the logo, so I don't need to do anything here. Go to primary header. I can choose if I want the logo at the center, like you see. Maybe I want the logo at the right, but I like it the way it is. For content, for the width, if you select full width, I don't know, but it is ugly. I mean, when you go to, I mean, it's your choice. Maybe you wanted content width or full width, but if I minimize the page, like you see, it is full width. But if I have made it on content width, I think this is much better. So need to add it on 100, like you see. For the border size, maybe I want it to change the color. I want it to be maybe red, like you see here. Change the border size. If I want it to be 10, but it is ugly, so I want it to be 2. For the mobile header, this is the mobile header. I can make it centered like this, and I can make it like that, like you see. Okay, now go back, go to primary menu. You can select the last item in menu, which is button. Maybe I need it to be search. It will be changed instantly, like you see. So maybe I want it to be a widget text form. So I want it to be the search. Container animation. I don't have a lot of content yet in this website, but you can play with the animations when you hover through the sub menus. Right? The main breakpoint, minimal style. I will show you what this is. So this is the menu. If you change to fill, like you see, it is changed. Maybe I want to put some text. Menu. Let's check outline. Yes, outline. It's not good. I will select fill, and I will remove the text. I like it like that. I don't know what this is, but it doesn't change anything. I can change the radius, like you see. It's becoming like a circle. It's your choice, it's your opinion if you want it to be like that. For the transparent header, you don't need to apply this on the blog page. Maybe later we will create our homepage. We will apply the transparent header. Okay, go back, go to breadcrumbs, the position. Maybe I want it to be before title. Go to blog post. This is the breadcrumb, as you see here. So if I select none, it will be gone. Inside header, this is ugly. After header, this is also ugly. It's your preference if you want to. For title, you can change the spacing. Maybe I want it 10. Yes, this is much better, like you see. For the alignment, let's check on center. Yes, that is much better. So go to content. Here you can change the colors and the typography. So I will change it to 15 is good. I can change the font. As you see. Now go back. Go to blog archive. Like you see here. You can enable and disable the meta menu, the metadata, such as comments, category, author. So I want to disable the comments. And the author, I want it to be above the category, like you see here. For the post content, select on excerpt or full content. It's going to be ugly like that, but I like excerpt. For the archive title, there is no archive title at the moment, but you can change the font size from here. For the post title, I can change it to, maybe this is really ugly, it's very big, so I want it to be maybe 30. Yes, that is very good, as you see. Now go back, go to single post. You can change the content width. You can change the metadata alignment. So I want the author to be at the first and the comments to be at the last. Like you see, it is changed instantly. You can add the publish date, or you can add tags if you want to. Maybe I will remove the comments and I add the publish date, like you see. Now go down for the post title, which is here. You can change it to maybe 26. Leave it at 30 if you want to. Go back, go to sidebar. For the sidebar, you can, for pages, you can select default, like the about page, for example. You can select no sidebar, as you see. You can select left sidebar, right sidebar. Like you see, it is changed instantly. This is your opinion, but I don't like the sidebar on the pages. I want it to be like that. For the posts, I need to have a right sidebar, and for the archive also I need the sidebar, like you see. And here you can change the sidebar width, like you see. I like maybe 25. I want to have more space for the content. Maybe I like 27. Yes, that is much better. Okay, go back, go to footer widgets. So scroll down until you see the footer. You can have widgets, like you see here. You can select the border size. I want it to change the color. This is the border size of the widgets, of the footer widgets. So now that I don't have any widgets, I will just disable it. Go back, go to footer bar, select the alignment. Maybe you want it like that. And here, section 1, which is text, I can just remove the powered by, as I don't need it. Like you see. For section number 2, I need the footer menu, like you see. You can change the width. You can select the border color. Maybe I want it to be blue. You got the idea. So go up, change the alignment if you want to. That's much better. Okay, for the content and the background color, select on black. I want it black, like you see. For content, For the text color is pretty much good. I don't need to change anything. So go back. Now go to widgets, go to main sidebar. So in my opinion, I don't need the meta widget, so I remove it. I remove the categories. No, I don't. I will remove the archives as I don't need it here. And recent comments. Like you see, it is pretty much organized. Go back. So for home page settings, you can select a static page. Maybe now we need to create our home page. All right. Now here you can click on publish and exit. So go to dashboard, pages, add new. This is the home page. And for sidebar settings, no sidebar. Content layout, full width and contained. And here I can select disable title, disable breadcrumb, and that is it. Click on publish. Click on edit with Elementor. So you can research on what is you can research your niche and check the home pages of the websites that you are targeting. Maybe so my niche is make money online. All right. So what are the most famous and the top websites that is related to make money online niche? In my opinion, online dives, 5 funnel5.com, and making sense of sense. Let's go to making sense of sense. This is the homepage of making sense of sense. Like you see, my homepage is very similar to the making sense of sense. Like you see, but I have added my flavor in it. I highly recommend that you get Elementor Pro so you can add these pages. But maybe my niche is fitness. So in my opinion, I did some research and I see that the top fitness website at the moment is Muscle and Strength. Let's go Muscle and Strength. So this is the home page. Like you see, it look like a newspaper or magazine website. You can simply create a page like that with Elementor. Okay, so here are our pages. So after researching my niche is make money online. So first, click on add a new section. Before that, I need to check the templates if there is any. There is a lot of templates that you can implement on your home page. Let's search for home. Elementor have a lot of home pages for several niches. This is the magazine. This is for the pro users because of the post elements. I can show you that later, but now we need to create a simple page, such as this is a pro. Let's insert this page. Maybe I don't have. Maybe I need to install the Astra starter sites. So for that we need to go back, exit to dashboard, go to plugins. For that, go to Astra options, install importer plugin. Okay, you can, after activating, just wait for it to activate. I have Elementor. So these are our home pages and websites demos. So go to pages again, select your home page. Where is it? Yes, this is the one. Go to starter template, select your home page, this is much better. I can edit it easily. Click on import. So now that it is added, we can go to now update this page, save it. I need to change the width of the page by going to click on exit page, go down. Maybe I need to have it stretch. Click on update, edit with Elementor. Yes, as you see. So I will put my tagline here, my tagline of the website. Maybe I want to remove it. Let's delete this. Delete this. I only want this text. So bring your online business to the next level. Alright, I can change the color, I can change the typography. Maybe I want to resize it. Yes, I want it 50. For the transform, select and capitalize, and here I can change the font color, the font style. Go to railway. So as you see, that is much better. For the weight, Let's play around with it. 500 is much better. And now we need to go to navigation. I need to remove this, the divider. As you see, I simply delete it, and that is it. I can change the background. I can put any background, such as this one, like you see. And here, maybe I want to add an about section. I just remove it because I don't need it. And here, I can remove that. So now we have added our section right here. I like it. Maybe I want to add an about element. Go to block, search for about, maybe I will put this one. I don't know why it does that. So we go to Astra, go to blocks, search for about, and here maybe I want to add this one. Click on import block. As you see, you can change the colors, you can change everything. So here I will put my name or the name of the website. I can change the color, I can change the typography, so like this. As you see, I can change the font. I want it railway. As you see, and here I will put some introduction. Maybe I will delete this, and here I will put some introduction about the website. This, I have created this website to help you reach your affiliate marketing goals in 2020, like so. And here you can put your about page. You can select that, you can change the text from here. About me, for example, I can change the link, maybe to, I will search for the about page. As you see, I can change the size of the button. I want it to be medium, and here I can change the size of the text. It's much better. I mean, you got the idea. I can change the background. Maybe I want it to be red. As you see. And here maybe I want to add an a follow us section, or maybe let's see. Okay, maybe here we need to we will add a lead magnet. So this is a place order website. This is, maybe I want to have a live training, and when someone clicks the button in this section, it will drive him to an email capture page. Alright, I will show you how to do that later, but now this is just a placeholder. Maybe I want it to center. Click on large, change the text to black. I like black. Okay, for the font, no, not Tohama, Helvetica. Change the size, transform, capitalize. I will change the font to Railway. I like it. So I will add a text editor. Maybe live training. How? Maybe I will put I will put a tagline here. How you can earn 1,000 per day with free equipment, with free tools, maybe free tools and free traffic. Like you see, I can center it. I like the text color. I will change the size, like you see. And here now I want to add a button. So maybe I want to have them to a lead magnet page. Lead magnet. This is an example. I can change the text size, the text element, the colors, and everything. So I will show you. I want it to be medium, like before. For the background, I need it to be maybe, yes, that is much better. Okay, for the typography, change the text to and here we can change the text to enter the training. As you see, so this is a sample page, a sample home page. We click on update, go to exit to dashboard, go back, go to appearance, customize, go to home page settings, select static page, home page. I select the home page that we have made before, and for the post page I will add a new page, but now you can click on publish, go back, go to pages, add new page, blog, publish, publish, and go down, disable site title, disable the breadcrumbs. Click on update, go back, go to appearance, customize again, homepage settings, the posts page, I can click on blog, as you see. So click on publish, exit, go to your website. So this is the home page. I can put the blog page in the header. As you see, go to appearance and menu, select your menu that you want to edit, click on select, and now I need to add the blog page. Like you see, click on save menu. As you see, it is added here. Alright, go to blog. This is our blog page. This is our about page, the contact. Oh, we need to fix the contact page. So go to pages, all pages, go to contact, click on edit, and I will change to full width contained. Alright, click on update. Now refresh the contact page. As you see, it is much better. Maybe I want to remove the breadcrumbs. Click on disable breadcrumb, update. As you see, now it is much better and much cleaner. Alright. So we will go to home. If you like the home page and you like the blog page style, you can just stop here. But if you want to customize it a little bit more, you need to get the Astra Pro version, which I will show you everything that you need to know about it and what elements that I have activated. So now let's talk about the Astra Pro element features. So when you buy the Astra Pro, you will be able to change and customize the colors, typographies, spacing, the blog archive, the header section, and like you see, the list goes on. It's this theme is also good for WooCommerce websites. So the elements and the modules that I have activated in the Astra Pro in my website is the colors and backgrounds, typography, spacing, blog pro, and the custom layouts. So now let's go over the customize. This is my website by the way. I will just show you what Astra Pro have the ability to do. Let's go to blog. This is the blog page. I have added 2 test posts, as you see. You can change the typography everywhere. You can customize this. You can customize the site title much more. I will show you, but the base typography and the headings are the same as before. And in the color section, there is a content color. You can change the color of the headings. You can change the color of the background if you want to. All right. Go to container. You can change the spacing, the outer spacing, and the inner container spacing. I suggest that you put these metrics. It is much better. Like you see, it is pretty much cleaner, in my opinion. All right. In the buttons, there is nothing changed except the spacing and the padding. Here are the padding and the spacing that you need to implement. There is a scroll to top. You can change this. You can add this element, like you see, this one here, and you can select the position. Maybe you want it at the right or the left. The icon size, I will show you how you can. As you see, it is changed. I like it 20. For the border radius, maybe I want it to be circle, like you see, but I don't want to. Okay, go to colors. I can change the icon color, the background color, and so on. Alright, so go back, go to headers, site identity. This is my website, by the way. It is the same in here, nothing changed. The primary header, let us see. Yeah, nothing changed. Go to primary video. Let's check this. Let's check this option right here. Where is it? The button style. Let's change it and see. I think there is nothing changed. Here you can select the spacing. Here are much more spacing options. I don't recommend that you do anything with the header, but if you want to, you are free to do that. As you see, the transparent header, I have not enabled it because I don't need it. Alright, breadcrumbs, I have not activated yet. I don't want it. Go to blog archive. So I can align the content like this or like this. As you see, I want it to be centered, everything centered like that. I can add more columns, maybe 2 posts like this, like you see. I can add 3 columns, but I don't know why you would do that. So I will add 2. Yes, I can get the masonry layout. I have enabled it. I have added the date box. This is the date box, like you see in here. I like it. I can change the box style, circle or square. I like it square. And go down. We talked about this. You can change the excerpt count. 30 is much better, but the default value is 55. I have put on 30. I can display read more button as I can display read more as a button, like you see here. I can change the text. I like it. The pagination. You can do infinite scroll or numbers. Okay. You can change the colors and the background. Here, the archive title, the post title, like you see here. You can change it. You can customize the weight, the text transform, and everything. The meta, and here are the spacings. Because I did not do anything here with the spacing because I have already done that in the container section. Go back, go to global container. Here it is. Here are my spacing metrics. You can copy it. As you see, it makes my website very clean, my blog page. Now go back, go to blog, single post, go to any post that I have seen here. I can remove the future image padding. I like it like that, like you see. I can disable the single post navigation, auto load previous post, and the author info, which is right here. I can change the colors and the spacings, but I don't see that you need to do that. Go back, go to sidebar, scroll down. Here you can play with the spacings. I like these metrics. I have tested a lot of metrics, but I see that these metrics is much better. It makes my website very clean. This is the sidebar right here. Okay, now go back, go to footer widgets. I have added only 2 widgets because I don't need any more. The recent post and the about. Alright, I can play with the spacings right here. I can change the top border color. Maybe I want it blue. And whoa, that is really ugly. I want it to. As you see, it's changed. You can change the background. I have put on black. You can change the content, colors. I don't see why would you do that because it is cleaner as I see. The widget title. You can change the typography, the sizing, and everything. And also the widget content. Alright, go to footer bar, which is this one right here. I like this alignment. We already talked about the section 1 and section 2, and here you can change. There is much more color customization. You can change the colors and the backgrounds, the typography. I like it. And here are the spacing options. I did not do anything because I like it like this. And go back. Menus and widgets we have already discussed that. Click on publish. Go back. Also, these are the Astra Pro elements that you need to activate. Photo widgets, scroll to top. Blog Pro, spacing, typography, colors, and backgrounds. Okay, so now let's talk about Elementor Pro. With Elementor Pro, you will have the ability to add post widget, post element on your pages, such as this one right here. This is post element that I have added because I have the Elementor Pro element, the Elementor Pro. I will put the links below in the description so you can get it. So for step number 11, which is speed optimize your website, there is some plugins that you need to install. You need a caching plugin, and you need to install this is optional. If you want to install the plugin that I will put in the link below, it's called WP Speed Visit. It will increase the speed of the visitor. It will allow him uh, to browse your website much faster. All right, I will show you how. Let's go to incognito and get my website. I have already enabled this plugin in my website. I will show you. This is my website. Go to blog, for example. Okay, now go home. Go to blog again. As you see, it will be much faster for the visitor to browse your website. Go to contact, for example, like you see, resources. You see that it is much faster. It will make the website much faster for the visitor. All right. So the plugins that I recommend. This is the WP Speed Visit. I will provide a link below that you will get it for free from me. Also, you need a caching plugin such as WP Rocket. If you cannot afford it, I will show you how you can go to plugins. There is a plugin called Auto Optimize. Click on Activate. After installing, click on Activate. Go to Settings. You can optimize JavaScript code. Okay, click this check mark. Optimize CSS code. Optimize HTML code. And click Save Changes and Empty Cache. Okay, there is also the plugin WP Speed Visit. It's very easy to install. I will show you. Go to Add New. So now let's quickly talk about the widget that I use in my website, which is right here. This is a plugin called the Sassy Social Media Profiles. I will show it to you real quick. Go to plugins. I will show it to you. I'm sorry. This is the Astra social follow widgets. Where is it? 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 This the Astra widgets. You can find it by clicking on Add New and just type Astra widgets. This is the one. It's the first plugin that you will see. So the next widget that I use is the Thrive Leads, which I will provide a link to get it. Here is the recent posts and the categories. All right. Go to upload plugin. Now we need to download the plugin from here, and after downloading, just drag it here and click on install now. Activate plugin, and scroll down and check WP speed visit. Just enable all the options like you see, and click save changes. Okay, now I copy the website link and go to incognito real quick. Go to the demo website that we have created. This is the demo website like you see. Let's for example go to blog. Now we go home. As you see, it is becoming much faster for the visitor. Go to, for example, about me. Like you see, it is much faster than before. Alright, so now we will go and install a plugin called Short Pixel. You will, if you install the free plugin, you will optimize 100 images per month, which is pretty much enough. Alright, so go to plugins, add new, search for Short Pixel, I think. Okay, Short Pixel Image Optimizer. Click on install. Click on activate. And now you need to have a request key. I will put a demo email, for example. Okay, click on request key. Click on the I have agreed on the terms. Click again. Go to sign up. Oh, so my email is already in use. So maybe I will change it. Okay, now I have my API key. I can go back, go to Short Pixel settings. Right, this is the API key. Now it is valid. It is valid automatically. Go to add. In general, you don't need to do anything. If you want to change it to glossy or lossless, but I recommend glossy. Go to advanced. Okay, click on this button, this check mark. I think that is it. Now click on save and go to bulk process. Start optimizing. It will take time. I will get back to you in a few moments. So now that we have optimized our images, now you have done speeding up your website, optimizing your images, and so on. If you want to get, if you don't want to do the work yourself, I can do it for you. I will provide my Fiverr. I will provide my gig. I will provide my gig link below. You can check it out. So for step number 12, which is about doing the SEO optimization on the WordPress website. So this is our dashboard. Go to plugins, add new, type rank math, which is this one. I have already installed it, but I need to activate it. Click on activate. So once you activate it, you will go to a setup wizard. Click on the check mark right here and click on activate rank math. Okay, so click on OK. Scroll down, click on easy, start the wizard. So what is your website is about? Is it a personal blog, community blog, news site, portfolio, workshop, agency? So mine is a personal blog. Here you will put your logo. The plugin has already done that. So here I need to get the authentication code. I will skip this step. I will show you how you can do that later. So now I return to the dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is go to Google Search Console, and which is right here, and URL prefix. You just put your website URL and click on continue. Click on HTML tag, copy the HTML tag, go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to Search Console. Click on this option, SEO settings, Search Console. Alright, go to Webmaster Tools. Here you will put your HTML tag. Click on Save Changes, and then click on Verify. Once you've done that, go to Property, go to the dashboard, go to Links. Go to Search Console, get authentication code. I will select my Google Search Console account, click on Allow. I will copy this code and paste it in here. Click on Authorize, and here is our website. Okay, click on Save Changes. The next thing we need to do is go to Titles and Meta. You can play with this if you want to. You can put a separator. This separator you can change it to your preference, but I recommend this one. You can capitalize the titles. For local SEO, there's nothing we can do here. Social media, if you have a Facebook page or a Twitter account, make sure you put it here. I don't have one. For homepage, there is nothing we can do here. In the post format, misc pages, post, pages. I think there is nothing we can do here as it is already configured by the plugin. Yes, tags. Maybe the only thing we need to do is just click on this button right here. Click on Save Changes. Go to Sitemap Settings. Make sure you copy this link and paste it in Google Search Console. Click on Sitemap and paste it right here. Like you see. I will do it real quick and I will get back to you. Or no, I will do it with you. So this is our first. Maybe I need to edit it. I'm doing all this live so you can see my mistakes and my hiccups. Make sure you delete the slash. Okay, click on submit. So now it is success. Go to post. Copy this link also and put it in here. Remove the slash. Click on submit. Alright. So next go to pages. Copy the link. Paste it in here. Submit. Alright. For categories, same thing. Go to sitemap and just paste it. For tags also. So now that we have added all our sitemaps, go to general settings. Oh, we have already configured that. Title and meta, sitemap, search console. Yeah, everything is done. So that is it for setting up the SEO on your WordPress website. So the last step, which is about creating your many pages. What I mean by many pages, it is you create a page that will capture the emails of your visitors, and will lead them to any product or any resource that you might find it valuable. Uh, like this, maybe you want to lead them to a resource page. Maybe you want to lead them to a report, a PDF report, a free training, a free course, maybe some done for you stuff. So what I have done in my website is I have two ways to capture leads in my website. The first thing is by leading them to a resource page. This is the email capture page, like you see here, and it will lead them to this page right here. I will show them the tools that I use and my services on Fiverr. I'm sorry, it's Conquer, and I'm going to give you some free resources, some free courses and free plugins. So this is my resource page. The other The other way that to capture my emails, to capture emails is by offering some done for you affiliate campaigns. So when someone puts his name and email in this field, it will lead them to this page right here, which is a membership website that have maybe 13 done for you campaigns. You just plug and play. All right. So that is all some ideas that you might find helpful. So we are now on to the last portion of the video, which I'm going to show you how you can create a video. I'm sorry, how you can create a blog post. Go to post, add new. That is after you have made your SEO and speed optimization on your website. So maybe I will. This is an example post. All right, and here I will put my content. I will get some content and I will get back to you. Okay. So this is a dummy content right here. I have just created. After you put your content, you need to put your keywords. Click this button, and here you can edit. You can edit your SEO, description and meta tags and the permalinks and everything from here. And here you can select your keywords. Select not more than 5 keywords, and that is it. You need to put your targeted keywords in this post to focus on it. All right. So I think that is it for this video. And also, if you want to edit it with Elementor, let's check real quick. So this is Elementor. Maybe I want to add a heading. Let's add another section. Maybe I want to add a heading. Maybe I want to change the color, the font. You got the idea. So if you don't want to change the font every now and then, you can go to click this button and go to default fonts, primary heading. Make sure you select the default or inherit. All right, and for this one also default. Make sure you put all the default options. Okay, here also. Like you see, for the accent text, make sure that it is default also, so that it will take the default font that is added by Astra. Yes. So now let's go to text. Let's go to typography, change it to default. So now it is railway. Maybe I want to add some text in here. Like you see, it is very easy. You can add buttons. You can edit them. You can add dividers, spacers, everything that you need, that you want. Alright, so that is a wrap up for this video. I hope you've learned a lot, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.